Welcome back, friends. Now, this is morning time. I am on duty and I'm recording this video. I'm recording this video because yesterday I have completed 140 days of my consistent English practice. I am about to complete 5 months. It is a long period, and I have told you so many times that I am consistent in speaking and listening. Okay, in these two things I am consistent, and so many time I thought that I must work hard on my English, but I am not doing that. I am not working very hard. Okay, and I have not read English newspaper any single day in these last 140 days. Okay, so I must read newspaper also, because yesterday I was talking with one boy, one co-learner on CB application, and his English was very good. He was fluent in English, and he said me that start reading newspaper, uh, and then I thought that yes, I should start reading newspaper. So this is going on. Okay, so I am not I am consistent. I have not taken any single day gap, but I am not working that much hard on my English. So now nowadays means this week was day shift. I had a day shift in this week. I was not able to purchase any newspaper. Okay, because I have to come here early in the morning. I leave home in the early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Okay, and I need to travel for 1 hour to reach this place. Okay, where I work. So because of that, I was not. I didn't have time to purchase newspaper, but from tomorrow I will have the night shift. So in the day I have free time in a day, so I can purchase any newspaper, and I can read. And tomorrow I will buy one newspaper. I will show you. Okay, so upcoming days, in upcoming video I will show you newspaper, and I will share with you my experience after reading newspaper. Okay, so now I must, because I'm about to complete 5 months, so I must be very serious now. Okay, so I'm very we can say afraid, and uh, what is thinking process in my mind that if I have completed 5 months, 6 months, and if I am not very good at English, so this will be very bad impression. Okay, so I must work hard. I will have to work hard. Only then uh, I will feel better, and I can set any example in front of you. Okay, so um, already I'm consistent. Okay, and when I listen videos on YouTube, so we get to learn so many things that little effort are also essential and important. We should not skip. Okay, and uh, every day, every single day, I speak with people for 30 minutes, and I listen English. So little steps and little efforts are very essential, important. Okay, so taking gap is not a good choice. And yesterday I was speaking with one boy, and he has completed 8 months in English practice. But one thing he told me that he was consistent for 6 months, and after completing 6 months, he got good fluency in English speaking. But he took 2 month gap continuously. For 2 months he was not speaking English. Okay, so after completing 2 month, after taking 2 month gap, he started again speaking, and he felt that he got he lost his fluency. He lost so many sentences, words. He was not as much good as he used to 2 months before. So he said that taking 2 month gap is very uh, a bad decision. He told me, he shared that experience with me. So taking 1 day or 2 day gap is good, but more than 5 day and 10 day it is not good. So we should not take that much long gap in our practice. So this is a reality. We cannot skip. We have to work every day, even it is only for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, but we must be consistent in this practice. So I am happy with my decision or with my consistency, and happy with my discipline, I can say. So every day, as you know that every day I am practicing for last 140 days. So I will show you that proof of my consistent English practice. I will attach that screenshot here in the corner of this video. Okay, so you can see that. So this is going on. Okay, so now I'm going to stop this video here, and if you have something to tell me, if you have some feedback for me, then write down this feedback in the comment box of this video. Okay, and do subscribe of this channel and be the part of my English learning journey. Thank you for watching.